So are judges required to report unethical behavior that they observe to the OLPR?
It depends on the nature of the unethical behavior. There is a rule that requires all lawyers, including judges, to report the behavior of lawyers where they reasonably would believe that the lawyer has behaved in a manner that reflects adversely upon his honesty or his trustworthiness or his fitness to practice in other respects, such as a chemical dependency issue, a mental illness problem. But typically the focus would be on lawyers' honesty and trustworthiness. And if a judge sees any lawyer in his courtroom or in proceedings before the court do anything the judge regards as dishonest or unethical in the sense that his honesty and trustworthiness is implicated, then the lawyer, the judge, whoever observes this conduct is required to report it, usually to the director's office, the Office of Lawyers' Professional Responsibility.
If a person reports to the judge then that they have witnessed some variety of those problematic behaviors, is the judge obligated to consider that complaint and consider any evidence of that kind of inappropriate conduct?
I would say it would depend on the circumstances and whether the behavior was really material to the proceeding before that particular court. If it was ancillary to it, it was not really important to the outcome or final determination, then the lawyer wouldn't necessarily need to act upon it himself. But to the extent it involves something that does have a direct bearing on the outcome of that proceeding, the judge is required to take that into account, to gather the facts, if necessary, to have an evidentiary hearing on the issue, and then to take appropriate steps to make sure that the parties who are represented in the proceeding are treated fairly and that they're not prejudiced by this attorney's conduct.
In that immediate case,
Correct.
it sounds like.
Correct.